Hello everyone, today I am here to review this book of Vinod Publications. It's a bestseller book new as per new syllabus pattern. Its name is Pedagogic Processes in Elementary School. It's a Punjabi medium book of DLED NIOS, which is the National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. The cover of this book is very nice. It's completely matches the title, you can see. So let's have a quick review on this book. The syllabus is mentioned. First of all, Unit 1, Learning and Teaching Process. Learning and teaching during early schooling, approaches to learning and schooling, methods, learner and learning centered approaches. Unit 2, management of classroom process, teaching and learning material, management of multi-grade and multi-level institution, planning of learning activities. Unit 3, merging issues and classroom learning, integrated learning, teaching process, learning process in context to deprived learners, ICT in learning, then computer assisted learning. Then Unit 4, learning assessment, basics of assessment and evaluation, tools and strategy of assessment, using the results of assessment for improving learning and assessment. So all the 4 units topics are given on, and they are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that both kind of readers can read it. Even the people who want to read English language can also buy this book and understand it completely. Then contents are mentioned, you can check them out. Unit 1, learning and teaching process, learning and teaching during early childhood, approaches to learning and teaching, method of learning and teaching, learning and learning centered approaches. You can verify it with syllabus, like learning and teaching during childhood, approaches, methods, learning and learning centered approaches. So Unit 1 is also very clear, and then we can now we can verify other units of this contents and match it with syllabus, like Unit 2, management of teaching learning process, management of classroom process, teaching and learning material, management of multi-grade and multi-level situation, planning of learning activities. You can verify the syllabus. Management of classroom process, teaching material, multi-grade and multi-level situation, planning of teaching learning activities, completely there. Unit 2 is also very clear. Now we have to check Unit 3. Pages are also given in front of topics, and topics are given in English and Punjabi to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. Now Unit 3, emerging issues in classroom learning, integrated learning teaching process, learning process in context to deprived learners, ICT in learning, computer assisted learning. You can check and verify this. Unit 3 syllabus, integrated learning teaching process, learning process in context to deprived learner, ICT in learning, computer assisted learning. So Unit 3 is also very clear. Contents cover everything of the syllabus. Now we have to verify Unit 4 from syllabus and contents, like Unit 4, learning assessment, basics of assessment and evaluation, tools and strategies using the result of evaluation till its model test paper, semester 2. You can check they got verified syllabus. You can check this out. Learning assessment of childhood, approach of teaching and learning, and you can check it from syllabus, this teaching and learning, and you verified with this learning and assessment, and its syllabus is still also learning assessment, and contents cover more topics also like this, which are not there in syllabus, but they are very important, like very short answer question, model test, paper 1, 2, assignment 1, 2, everything is completely given. Page numbers are also mentioned in front of the contents. You can go to any page number and verify the page numbers also, whether they are accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 108, whether I'll find planning of learning activities or not. Let's check this out. Page number 108, planning of teaching learning activities, 108 page is completely there. So you can check out one more page, like 246, model test paper 2. Let's check this out. Page 246. See, one second, like you can check this out from like page 216, assignment 1. You can check this out, page 216. See, to assessment 1, page 216 is completely there. So page numbers are very well explained. For example, page 173, basic of assessment and evaluation, 173 page. Let's check this out. Basics of assessment and evaluation, page 175, completely there. Page numbers also very rightly mentioned in the back side of this book. Another NOIS books and guest paper are given. You can check them out. The price of the book is just 174.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy or call them directly at 9218 and this book will be available to within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book by going to any available bookstore nearby your location at just with 174.50 rupees only, whichever is NYS books. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other stuff. You can go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. If you have any query regarding any book, you can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and if you have any complaint regarding this book or any book, you can go to the helpline at help@vinodpublications.com. They will definitely help you within just very quick short time. 174.50 for this amazing book. It's a very reasonable price. It's available. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it offline from any available bookstore. It's your choice. 174.50 is a very less price, reasonable price for this. Pedagogic processes in elementary school, NIOS, DLED, bestseller of the bestseller and amazing trusted publishing firm Vinod Publications. I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.